Nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. We're going to take 1 pound of angel hair pasta, 1 pound of broccoli cauliflower mix, 2 bottles of Italian dressing, creamy and Italian regular, 1 pack of smoked sausage, and 1 green onion, and puppy barks in the background make the best cold pasta salad you've ever had.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, nieces and nephews, I'm going to start by taking 1 pound of pasta, angel hair, okay? 1 pound of broccoli cauliflower mix and boiling it. Put in your angel hair pasta whole. Do not break it. Put in your bag of vegetables, your broccoli and your cauliflower. It can be frozen. It does not have to be thawed. Also, the parts you spilled, put those in too. Boil it till the pasta is done, and your vegetables will be done as well. All right. I have thoroughly rinsed and drained my pasta. See? My broccoli and everything is in there. I'm going to transfer it to my bowl, hopefully without spilling it. I've also had a slice of watermelon in the background, if you can't see. Put this plate of water in the sink. How is everybody doing out there? I want to throw a shout out to Simply Meals. Y'all check out her channel. I'm going to put a link down below. She is a God-fearing woman, and I hope you don't mind that. Every once in a while she will do some scripture reading. But I think that's okay, because sometimes we need some inspiration. You know what I'm saying? I don't see anything wrong with that. I don't see anything wrong with that. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to slice up our onion. We're really supposed to do it in some half moons, but I'm going to simplify it because I find it difficult to do. Like I just did. Yeah, okay. So, half moons, kind of. So they're going to be like onion slivers in the salad. I got to get some sharper knives. Any company out there want to give me some better knives? Let me know. All right, this is a really cool salad. Now, you can do this. I'm going to sprinkle them in here. No rhyme, no reason. Because we're just going to mix it all up anyway. Okay? I'm adding it as I go. It's a simple recipe. There's very little cooking involved. You don't have to cook the sausage because it's already pre-cooked. All right. We put our onion in our salad. Now we're going to take our sausages. Remember, these are pre-cooked. You can eat them as they are. We're going to slice them into circles. Thin circles. Now, we've got almost all our ingredients in. We're going to take our dressings, open them up. So we're going to use 50-50. 50% of the creamy Italian and 50% of the zesty Italian or just regular Italian dressing. Okay? I'm going to take 50%. Now, I'm eyeballing this, but you measure it. So if you use 1 cup of creamy, use 1 cup of regular, okay? I am eyeballing it. So I used half the bottle of this and half the bottle of this. Okay? Now, we're going to stir this around till it's well mixed together. Everything gets incorporated. If you feel you need to add more dressing, add more dressing. Yeah. I'm going to add some more creamy. I'm going to add some more regular. And there you have it, nieces and nephews. A creamy pasta summer salad without mayo. Look at that, nieces and nephews. It is so good and so creamy. Truly a summertime treat. Delicious salad. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Let me know what other cold salads you want to see. I'm going to do a watermelon apple juice cocktail. I'll show you how to do that. Very simple. And then we're going to do another favorite cold dish of mine tomorrow. Okay? And I've got a food pantry run coming for you. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Don't forget to write to me. Support the channel to everyone you know. Give me a super thanks if you can. Or buy me a cup of coffee. You'll see how to do it down below. Okay? All right. Oh, the recipe's going to be down below too. Remember, it's simple. It's just a pound, and 50-50 of the Italian creamy and Italian zesty. Okay? All right. Bye-bye. Nieces and nephews, I just had to add this note. I had a crazy idea once I made this salad. Look what I did. I added a cup of grated Parmesan cheese to the salad. Oh my God, this is the best thing ever. The best thing ever. Okay? All right. Bye-bye. Big love from Uncle Chris. I am so crazy, but it works.
Uncle Chris, what you got